What is going on, guys? Welcome to Tech Nation and 2018. 2017, yes, that was a great year for phones with 18:9 aspect ratio displays. But is 2018 still great for them? So let's check it out.
Be real.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest.
Let's just be.
So this is the box of the Honor 9i. So it's a really plain box, and here the net contains. So it contains one headset, internal battery, earphones, back cover, travel charger, data cable, warranty card, and the user manual. And it cost me 20,000 rupees, but you can also find it like in 18,000. So here are the specs of the smartphone. It is an octa-core CPU, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, Android 7 with EMUI 5.1, 14.99 cm FHD display, and it has two back cameras as well as two front cameras, 13+2 on the front and 16+2 on the back. Front camera is also equipped with one flash. That's really great. So let's just by the way, the battery is 2340 mAh. I just forgot that. Okay, so battery is 2340 mAh. This is the box of the Honor 9i, really plain. So let's open it up. So this is the packing. Yeah, it's really unusual. As you can see, it has two boxes and the phone. There's a small box and there's the big box, and in the middle is the phone laying sideways. So let's just open the first box. So as you can see, it's a really big box. Nothing is written, just plain white box, the big one box, and it contains one travel adapter, one data cable, as well as one earphone. And it is not USB-C, it's micro USB. So let's just skip this box and look at the small box. Okay, so this is the small box. Again, nothing written, just plain white box. Let's just open it up and let's take a look inside. Well, we have the warranty card right there, the case, and the quick start guide, which nobody in this world reads. Okay, so this is the case. It's really hard case. It's not silicone soft case. Thanks Honor for the case. It's really good of them to include this case. So this is the beast. It's the Honor 9i. It's a matte finish, but it attracts a hell lot of fingerprints. As you can see, these are all the fingerprints. These are the dual cameras, the fingerprint sensor, and the flash. These are the two front dual cameras, the earpiece, and the proximity sensor. So let's boot this up. By the way, I just opened this phone up, tested it, and then I'm making this review so that it will be just an honest review, right? So this unboxing is a re-unboxing. So as you can see, this is the Honor boot animation, Honor right there, and powered by Android. So the pin is required because I already set this phone up. So this is the Honor 9i, the 18:9 aspect ratio phone, which feels really great in the hand. It's 18:9, and this is the FH display, and it's really crisp in the sunlight. These are the two front cameras, 13+2, the earpiece, and the proximity sensor right there. And this is the front flash, as you can see, and this is the back of the phone. Aluminum body, it's a matte finish, fingerprint sensor, two dual cameras, and the flash. And these are the 16+3 megapixel dual cameras, and this is the portrait mode, and it works really great. Well, the front portrait just sucks, don't try this. So this is the fingerprint sensor. Well, it's not fast as the OnePlus 5. I'm not talking about the OnePlus 5T, just the OnePlus 5. It's just delayed. OnePlus 5 was really fast. So as you can see, I will just swipe up and I will just give my finger right there. So see, there's like 1 second delay. And this fingerprint sensor also has some gestures inbuilt, so you don't have to use the app. Just swipe from the top to access the notification center. So see, I just swiped, And this is the gallery access, where you can just swipe on the fingerprint sensor to move from one photo to the other. That's really great, right? So you will be not disturbed while just staring at your good photos. It is also equipped with Google Assistant, so that's really great right there. And these are the two front cameras, two back cameras, and this is the metal body, Honor right there, the antenna bands right there, and this feels really good in the hand. These are the this is right side, and it includes volume rockers and the power button. Left side is the SIM tray, and on the front just a secondary noise cancelling mic, the speakers, the micro USB, and the headphone jack. Thanks Honor for headphone jack. So this was my re-unboxing and quick review of the Honor 9i. This is a really great phone. I just love this phone. It feels really great in the hand. So give this video a like. There's my channel right there. There's my last video right there. Comment down below what you want to see next. And as always, Honor 9i and stay techy.